Hi guys, after 27 years working for a particular company, the time has come to move on. Circumstances changed, things happened, which basically made me decide to move on. I have been working at a different location since October 1st. This is a new to me shop. I'm familiar with the shop, but again, it's a new routine for me, different work environment. I need time to get settled, and I need to make sure that I live up to their standards. And I can't do that if I'm constantly recording, be it with my video glasses or with my cell phone to take various videos for various bits, the month end videos. So anyways, long story short, I'm not sure what's going to happen with the channel. We'll see. Time will tell. And this will probably be my first and only video where comments are disabled. I have my reasons. I know everybody's going to probably say well wishes or whatnot, or want to know more specifics, but I'm at the point I'm struggling to keep up with comments, and I've made a video about this before, talking about how I can't keep up with everything, and now because of the new work location, it's even more so, more difficult. So hope you guys understand. Future videos will or will not come. Obviously not on a weekly basis, may not even be on a monthly basis. If YouTube decides to shut my channel down due to inactivity, then that may happen as well. So I don't know what their criteria is for minimum uploads per year to keep a channel active. So anyways, just thought I'd give you guys an update. It's been fun for now. We'll see if it continues. Thanks for watching.